Extra crimpsy. Hold it with the gut. Hold it with the gut.
Me?
For me? I'm not wearing glasses, so it's hard to see.
Yeah,
Nice.
let me scoot over that one.
No, you're fine.
You sure?
You just have to sit close like we like each other.
They don't like each other.
They don't like each other. Today's episode is sponsored by Alan. I think he pronounces it Alan. My middle name is Alan.
It's just spelled the same.
Yeah, well. Probably. These are some unique sauces for us to try. I have the extra crimpsy fast food french fries. Orida, not a sponsor. So some of these are kind of hot.
Can we...
Yeah, we're going to go in chronological. First time filming on this lens. Might be horrible. We'll see. Walter Malone barbecue sauce.
Sounds sweet.
Let's get a waft. Ooh.
Very sweet smelling. Very sweet. Definitely smells like barbecue sauce, though.
Well, it is. So, that's a good thing. Okay.
Is it supposed to taste like watermelon?
The label says watermelon barbecue sauce, so I believe that is the designated flavor. A little bit on the plate. Get you a French's fry. A little dippy dip. It's a kitchen screaming. Hang on. Oh, it does taste like watermelon. It is like a Jolly Rancher watermelon.
It's just rotten. It's like a rotten watermelon.
To me, it's like you dissolved a watermelon Jolly Rancher in barbecue sauce. Like something a little bit sweeter than a Sweet Baby
I
Ray's.
mean, it's a good sauce. Just get rid of the watermelon. It's kind of very liquidy.
It's runny. It's a little
very
runny. Well, this is you put in a brisket or on some pulled pork. And it's growing on her. It's a little off-putting at first.
It just tastes like a rotten watermelon to me. Nope. No, thank you.
She's had a lot of rotten watermelons in her day, so. It's a pass from Stephanie. I think it's worth a shot. I don't know that I would really dump this all over
A brisket. Or some turkey.
Or some duckus.
Or some wing.
Or some wangs. Do it. Do the wings. Show me your wings. All right. Next, we have passion fruit. Spicy sweet. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name.
Piscale? There's an A at the end. I don't know. What kind of pepper is this?
This is habanero, carrots, lemon juice, garlic, raw cane sugar, kosher salt, and then passion fruit is the main. So passion fruit is the first ingredient. It's a little bit chunky. That's cool.
It's almost like a pico kind of.
Yeah, like a pico de gallo, whatever they call it.
Mm-hmm.
Make a little bit on my finger, but I'm not going to lick my finger. I want to taste it on the French fry. Get in there, girl. You might want to go a little light. If it's habanero, you might freak out. Ooh.
Oh. It's a little hot.
It's spicy. It's not that spicy. You've had way spicier things.
I have, but now it's going from tongue to throat.
It is this one spreads. It's like a napalm kind of. It's a mouth and a throat heat.
I mean, the flavor's decent.
The passion fruit is really good. This is really good.
I don't like spicy things.
But you would like that if it was less spicy?
I can't taste it other than the spice. The immediate...
It's the initial hits like the passion fruit.
It literally was like a drop on my tongue, and then I swallowed, and now it's in the back of my throat.
Some other of these.
It's got a good... It's definitely better than the watermelon.
The sweetness works better.
It's just very hot.
Just a little hot for Stephanie. All right. I like it. She likes it. Just a little hot for her. Next one. Cinnamero. cinnamon and habanero hot sauce. Ingredients: vinegar, water, habanero pepper, salt, sugar, cinnamon, xanthan gum. Yeah, I know it's xanthan, but it starts with an
It's
X.
a very
This is-
vinegary looking.
This is a miracle. This is a loose goose. Wait, did I show the label? Forget if I have the product showcase mode on. That might just all be blurry. That's all you're getting.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Why?
this one's Waltery.
Why so much?
Oh, here, we got smell. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like cinnamon. I think this is going to be good. Get in there, girl. I'm bathing it in it. Alright. Oh, that's good. It's hot. It's not that hot. For her, it's hot.
It's good.
It's good!
I don't like spicy. I want to enjoy my food.
So
and
if
not
this
be in
was-
agony.
But if this was like just slightly spicy, you'd like it?
No. I don't like spicy food.
But think of the application. You wouldn't just put, I guess you could just put cinnamon sugar on wings.
You know?
This is like a spicy cinnabon in a good way.
So what if you put it on a cinnamon?
Probably would be pretty good if you like spicy bread. Nice. What a champion. She got in there for a second dip.
I didn't really get to taste it the first time.
Better? Second thoughts?
It tastes like a cinnamon.
Okay. Yeah, tastes like a spicy cinnamon. Now, I didn't look at the Scovilles on these. I don't know if they list them, but I saved this one for last because it's called Spontaneous Combustion Garlic. Now, this says extremely hot. Oh, look at that. Look, it's got a danger label. Is it? It's not focusing. There it goes. The Palate Pyromaniac's new challenge. If you love heat and garlic and you have a newfound, the spiciness is getting to me. If you love heat and garlic, you have now found your favorite hot sauce. One drop and you will quickly find out if you are tough enough to handle more. Enjoy. Vampires hate it and you will love it.
Especially if you're a zombie.
Yes, I'm a vampire too. Water, habanero pepper, vinegar, garlic, salt, capsaicin extract, xanthan gum, and spices. So kind of usual stuff. I'm not an extract fan. I mean, usually it's in a lot of sauces just for like the heat, the wow factor of the heat. Use sparingly. Avoid eye contact with eyes and other sensitive areas. All right. It's got an actual little bit of a dropper thing on it, but it's big. All right. I'm going to go hard in the paint. Is this asbestos and lead paint? Because I'm about to go hard in it. Ready? Dink your hand sink. Really good flavor right off the bat. Good garlickiness. Yeah, it's a throat spice, guys. That's the hottest sauce. I'm sweating. I'm sweating right now. I feel it. While Stephanie suffers, I'll have a second.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it's a hot boy. Now let me ask you a question. Now that you're in the flames of hell, is that sauce as hot as your husband right here, right now? Speechless. Speechless. It's a whole mouth heat. It's a throat heat, and it's a chest heat. I'm sweating from my head, my neck, my back, and my crack. Stephanie's praying. I wonder if you can see that I'm sweating. I'm glistening. You are too. You're glowing. You didn't answer the question. You were speechless. That's right. Never mind.
I don't remember the question.
Fuck it. Mix them all together. Swirl the plate, baby. Swirl the plate. All of them together. Yeah.
It at least had a good flavor.
It did have a good flavor.
It's just garlic and then spice.
Garlic and then hell.
Heat.
Any final thoughts, final words for Alan?
I hate spicy food.
She hates spicy food, which means we're going to keep eating it. If you guys want to see Stephanie eat more spicy food, let us know. Like this video, share it. Tell us what other spicy food you want to see Stephanie eat and suffer through. You love it.
Get that french fry. You get that french fry.